Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making unfrosted vanilla cake layers in 3 shapes but 4 layers, which is 1 rectangle shaped, 1 in a heart shaped, and then 2 circular shapes of the cake layers with my vanilla cupcake batter or my vanilla cakes batter, and then we'll be delivering this to a client. This was the client's preference, no frosting or decoration, just the raw cake layers. So that is what we'll be doing in this video. As I stated earlier, we'll be using my vanilla cupcakes batter or my vanilla cakes batter, so you can check out that video to know what exactly was used. Today I'm timesing that recipe by 4. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So after obtaining the cake batter to look like this, I'll add in the rest of the ingredients, mix it together to look like this. Then I'll grease the baking tins with my homemade cake release, which I already have a recipe to on the channel you can check out. After that, I'm going to line the bottoms with some cut out parchment paper to prevent it from getting burnt when it's baked. Then I'll use an ice cream scooper to scoop the batter into the baking tins, which have been already prepared. After that, I'll use the spatula to smoothen up the cake evenly in the cake pans and then bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. When that is done, I'll allow the cake layers to cool off completely in the baking tins, and then I'm going to use some white cardboard as the bottom covering and some cling film to do the coverage of the cakes. I can't just deliver the raw cake layers like that. I'm supposed to package it a bit. So I'm going to cut out the shapes of the baking tins by using a pencil to draw them out on the cardboard. Cut it with the aid of a scissors, and then when the cakes are cooled to my preference and can be transported or delivered, I'll then remove them from the baking tins individually, starting with the circular ones. Place it onto the cardboard cutouts and then wrap it with the cling film. I'll do that for the second round cake layer. Cover it with the cling film after placing it on the cutouts, and then do the same for all the others. After arranging them to look like this, I'll pick out the remaining of my Vows Day wrapping and then place into it a weave basket. This is kind of used for hampers, but today I'm using it for my cake delivery. So I'll place that onto the middle part of the wrap and then arrange the cakes from the rectangular ones to the circular ones, and then finally the love one on the ending part of the rectangular cake. Then I'll bring the edges of the wrapping rubber together and then tie it with some ribbon, place onto it my business sticker, and this is how the cake was delivered to my clients. Thank you for purchasing from Beloved Caterers and Beloved Catering Service. God bless you. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.